Hello guys, welcome back to Algae EasyG. This video is nothing but a new update on ChatGPT, which is trending right now. You might have seen so many videos saying that you can create Ghibli-styled images using ChatGPT's premium feature only. But today, you're going to learn to make these images for 100% free, that too using ChatGPT itself. Let's dive in. Okay, for that, head on to ChatGPT, link in the description. Here, upload your image. For that, click on the plus icon, click Upload from Computer, select your image, and click Open. Now type in the same text that I am typing, miss a letter, and it will ask you for a subscription. Okay, type this text that says, create a Ghibli effect of this image, and hit Enter.
"15 minutes later."
Okay, as you can see, the Ghibli style image is ready. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for keeping you up to date in the world of AI. Bye. If you like this video, you might want to check out these videos.